Hi. Last Fridays, I have a amazing Excel workshop and were successfully conducted. And during the training, right, there is questions, and that questions like this, right? They have two parts here, right? So part A and part B, right? And there's a quotations, and the participant actually been doing this right for a while, right? And then what it does is that it need to link the latest price right here, right? See, there's six, right? And here, click on equal and click on this cell here. The latest price is three. And if you will not, if this value is increasing to here, right? Then what happened is that you need to change this, right? So, well, no problem. We'll just that equal and click on this again one more time, right? Not a big deal, right? If you only have two parts, so you might want to consider this is a quicker way, right? But my student actually talk, talking about not just two parts, but seven parts in one file, but not just only seven parts, but over 500 Excel files, right? So if she need to always keep track of the later price, right? As ever it change here, it has to come back to quotation to change, right? Then we'll be talking about let's say one file it takes about 2 minutes to respond, right? And 500, right? And that is a whooping of I mean thousands, right? Not including of about 3 minutes, right? 1,500 minutes, right? And divided by 60, right? Is 25 hours, right? For every weeks to keep track, right? So it's 25 hours of the time, right? So from 25 hours of time, right? Um, I after she asked me and I thought about a while and I came up with these solutions, right? And it could be helpful to you, right? So that is before, right? And after, right? After I'm talking about before, right? It used to take 25 hours to do that, right? But now it's zero, right? So there is a reducing of we talk about that in short while, right? Let's look at the solution, right? The solution is basically using the index functions and together with the count A function, right? The count A function, let's look at the inside first, right? The inside of this is count A. The count A is talking about counting 10 B10 to B28, right? So how many cells here contains a value, right? And that would tells us that from B10 to B28, right, has three value, right? So there is three value, and that is why we have that. We have we get a 7, right? So from here to get a 3, right? So but how do we get these, right? We use the index functions, right? Now, if I remove these, right, you can see that this will return the latest price, right? And that is index functions, right? We're using the index functions together with count A, right? So to revamp this, right, we use these index functions with cross worksheet, right, to part A together with the part count A as well, right? And same goes to this part B, right? Right, so you have these two cell here, right? And that would uh, require no effort for them to keep track of the latest price, right? All they need to concern now is really just adding this 8 here, right? And look at the solutions. It has this latest price, right? There's no need to change, right? How about here, right? If I just add a few more sevens, 8, 9, 12, right? So it should be getting for part B, the latest price should be 12, right? Exactly, right? Pretty cool, right? Now, that means that there is no manual job to update it, right? So it's from zero, right? So from 25 hours to zero, right? And that is, we take this value here and then divide by this value and then divide by this, right? And that is, what is that? Oh yeah, 100%, right? 100% of, right, zero. So just by understanding the right functions combined with the other function, right, you can do a lot of things, right? Save the, I have saved the participant by 25 hours a month, a week, right? If we're talking about times 4 weeks a day, a month, and then times 12, analyze it, right? It's a bit 1,200 hours, right? 1,200 hours becomes zero. You just watch this, right on the spot, right? So if you're looking for um, if you have some data like this, right, and you want a solution, right, do consult us, right? We have a consultations services. Okay, so thanks for watching, right? And you can contact me at this email address, right? Yep. So we only do services for corporates, right? We don't do for individuals, right? And we are HRDF claimable as well, right? Right? Yep. Thank you. And do come and watch visit our Facebook page, right, which is the Malaysia favorite Microsoft Excel tips, right? Yep. And that's it, right? And remember, you're amazing. Always believe it.